Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out more LiTime 24V batteries. They got some really good setups. This is an 8D battery, so it's going to be easy to replace your setups that you already got going with lead acid. And if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code Adventure Tech. Get additional discount on top of this. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the LiTime 24V 230 amp hour deep cycle LFP Group 8D battery. So what we got here, you can upgrade your energy storage game with the LiTime 24V 230 amp hour LFP battery. It's got rated capacity of 230 amp hours, and you got 5,888 watt hours of usable energy. The high performance battery provides plenty of power for your energy needs. No more frequent recharging, no hassle of complex space consuming battery connections. Just enjoy consistent, reliable energy delivery for your solar systems, RVs, boats, and off-grid applications. It has a strong and robust BMS, which is your battery management system, basically a computer built right into the battery to keep it safe. You don't have to worry about overcharging or doing anything that might damage this battery, or worse, cause damage to your property around the battery. This has a system built in to prevent things from happening, even if you make a mistake. Your battery will be fully protected against overvoltage, undervoltage, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, ensuring reliable and safe performance. The advanced auto balancing technique maximizes battery life for optimizing each cell in the pack, resulting in up to 4,000 cycles at 100% depth of discharge, 15,000 cycles at 60% depth of discharge, meaning that you're going to be able to use this battery for 10 years every single day. Because these are EV grade LFP battery cells, 4,000 plus cycles. That's insane. And this is green, non-toxic chemicals. The battery chemistry is actually inexplodable as well, so it's much safer than other battery choices. You don't have to worry about corrosive chemicals or possible explosions like with lithium ion. This is a lithium iron phosphate battery. It's a whole different battery chemistry, so don't get them mixed up. So you got less battery to power more. These batteries are better in so many different ways, including being more powerful and lighter. LiTime's 24V 230 amp hour LFP battery maximizes continuous output of 5,120 watts. So you can output at 5,120 watts because you have this bigger battery style. Maximize continuous charge current of 200 amps. That means you can charge this baby in just a little bit over an hour. Makes an ideal energy storage solution for high demand applications. The battery allows you to power multiple devices simultaneously without worrying about loss of power performance. So you can enjoy a seamless and reliable energy storage experience. And this is expandable, flexible, and powerful. You can get 4 in parallel 2 series, giving you 48 volt systems, so you can run solar inverter chargers, things like that, giving you 920 amp hours, which is insane. You got 47 kilowatt hours and change. Huge power solution for sure. The LiTime 24V 230 amp hour LFP battery supports up to 4 parallel and 2 series connections, meaning that you can get a huge battery bank using these types of batteries. Because depending on what kind of battery you have, it limits what kind of battery bank you can create. This offers you more versatility, reliable energy solution. The LFP battery provides longer backup power, greater reliability, and flexible installation options to meet your specific energy storage needs. Very versatile applications. Power your life and discovery. So basically that's kind of their motto, because when you have a system like this, it really takes away limitations in your life. You can use this in your boat, off-grid, RV, or in your home. This type of system is useful anywhere you go. And right now is a really good time to pick one of these up because of the discount going on, and you can pick up different ones, and the discount is actually different depending on how many you pick up. So take advantage while that lasts. Use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. But you can subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here to these limited deals.